Hey everybody, I'm Spider Jones.
And I'm John Leonard.
We are the Trivia Brothers, and today's trivia question, Professor, be our guest.
How many females have been Prime Minister of Canada? Is it A, 0, B, 1, C, 2, or D, 3?
Man, you're getting easier all the time. You know what, before we get to the answer, got a question for you. Where are we going to be next time?
Spider, on Saturday, October the 15th at 3 p.m., we're going to be at Boston Pizza in Whitby, Ontario, and Consumers Drive in the AMC Plaza. Come on down for some great Canadian trivia fun.
And we'll be out there hollering loud and drawing a crowd, a lot of trivia, a lot of good food and big time fun. Professor, answer please.
The answer, we've had one female Canadian Prime Minister in Canada, and that was Kim Campbell.
Kim Campbell, yeah. And you know what? She didn't last that long, but
She was Prime Minister.
Yep.
Spider, how many presidents of the United States have been female?
Were you trying to be, is that a trick question or are you just being funny?
No. Good question.
None.
None? Well,
That's the professor.
Spider Jones.
We'll see you next time.